Disassemble, you take the disassembly rod. You'll see here, there is a triangle. Place the rod into that triangle. And the back of the triangle is on this side of the cabinet. And simply just gently push the rod. No need to force it, just gently, but hold it close to the cabinet to get a good grip and push it through to there. And on this side, as you can see, the same triangle for the disconnecting rod. Get into position, just feed it through gently. If it does get a bit stiff, just hold it close and just gently ease it in. Okay, and that is ready to disassemble. So we have the disassembly rods in place. Simply spin it round, and we take one nice firm underneath, and that will come off. Place the rods gently through that point. Just feed it through nice and gently. So if it's a little bit stiff, just feed it through from the end. And it's important you get this triangle in the right position. There's only one way it will fit, so it's not difficult to get right. And then just put it into place, push it through, and then knocking it round. And once more, it's a nice, and then hold that on, and gently, that comes off. Disassembly strips. We will now simply take the central panel off, turn the side panel, take the end panel, and then to remove this, and there we are, the unit is fully disassembled. We just feed them in, we'll feed them in there. To the end of the drawer, turn it round. You'll see now the drawer will come out. We insert those in. And then everything is disassembled.